Good morning. I've gotten a few questions from agents about, can I see the company's set it and forget it campaigns that are set for the future or before they go out? And the short answer is yes. And this video is going to cover where you can go to see them. And if you choose to copy them and make it your own. But I want to focus on showing you where to go to see the set it and forget it campaigns, whether it be the monthly newsletter that goes on the third week of the month, the holiday plans, the quarterly market insights, all of that is the purpose of this video. So let's dive in. So the best way to see them, there's a couple of ways. Wherever you can create an email, you can see them. I am basically under marketing, and I'm going to take you to schedule mass emails, and I click get started, and this is my view. Now, for some reason, some of you, if this is the first time you're watching my video, you click schedule mass emails, you may get a sign-in form, like you have to opt in for schedule mass emails. Go ahead and do that, and you will see this in about 24 to 48 hours, and you'll never see that opt-in again. Because to send mass emails, you have to say that you're going to be a good citizen. That's what the opt-in's all about. Okay, so you get here. I'm going to click on schedule email. And at this point, this is where you could schedule a one-off emails. But if you go to the template area and just type in FR, know that every thing the company creates, set it and forget it campaigns under that category, all have the leading word FR. So if you want to see the email, let's just look at this. Okay, I'm going to come back to a few things. Here's the March 2024 Homes and Trends newsletter. So if you click it, it's going to pop here and show you what that newsletter looks like. This goes on the third Thursday of March. And same thing with future newsletters. So the newsletters get posted here a week prior to them being sent if you've had the hashtag FR newsletter. So you have up to a week to kind of see what the content looks like, and you can always go back to previous ones. So watch this, right? So if I were to go and look at, what if I wanted to see the February one? If I click that, there's the February one. So all the newsletters are here that have been sent. And if you like an article or two, you obviously can make a copy of this and do other things with it. But that's where you go for templates, okay? Everything in the system is a template that becomes part of a campaign, things like that. So that's newsletters. Okay, so let's look at now a few of the holiday stuff, okay? So let's look at FR Memorial Day. That's coming up. So that's the Memorial Day email. That's that. Now, if you feel like, hey, I want to change this around, personalize it, that's when you need to not use the company set it and forget it, which is FR holiday plan hashtag, and then do your own. But you have a starting point. You could, some agents want to send it a couple of days ahead. If it's a Thanksgiving with some recipes, etc., that's when you start to do your own. But you can copy this and make it your own. But then you should not add the FR holiday plan hashtag if that's what your intent is. So that's the Memorial Day. Let's look at a couple others. Thanksgiving, Turkey Day. And you'll see what the subject's going to be. Happy Thanksgiving. That's the graphic. And that's the text that goes with it. All good. The other one that's coming up, every quarter we do this, right? Which is our market insights. So FR. Let's kind of go to market insights. So let's just say it currently says Q4. Very soon, it'll be Q1. Will also be in here. Okay, so we will basically repurpose this to Q1. But you'll notice that these emails look very similar. The only thing that changes every week or every quarter for quarterly insights is this header information. And when they click on it, they all are taken to the Market Insights site, which is foxroche.report. You see here, it says Q4. Soon it'll say Q1. That's updated every quarter. And as you're seeing this weekly tip in early April, we're working on Q1. And when that's done, this will get updated. And more importantly, let's go to that South Jersey one. If I click this email, if sent, when they click, will be linked to this report or this page, and this will say Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, etc. And all you have to do is apply the relevant hashtag. This copy gets updated, and this one gets updated, and this is a nice little flipping book, excuse me, that will say Q1. But the beauty of it is, you just have to set that hashtag and forget it. But that's where it goes. So that's the process that we use internally. And obviously, the subject will change to whatever the theme is for that quarterly market insights. So I just want to share that with you. And this week's weekly tip is all about finding the set it and forget it campaigns. You can go to schedule mass emails. Let me show you another place you can actually see this as I wind down my video. Okay, so if I can move to the left, there we go, all contacts. When you're at a contact level, let's say you want to send it individually to a contact, anywhere you can create an email, the templates show up. So for example, if I were to pop into that and say send email, same concept, template is here. If I type in FR, same thing shows up here, right? You see that FR thing, and that, so at any place where you have an email feature, you can access the templates and simply type in FR for all company templates, and you can scroll through the list and find what you're looking for. So hope that helps. Have a great week, everybody.